get guap. 10 white toes and them Tory flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, bitch, I might be. Cause I'm icy.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Trish. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, thanks for stopping by. Please hit that subscribe button and please do not leave without hitting that bell so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And if you guys are not new, welcome back to my channel. So yes, this is the look that I am doing for today's look and tutorial. I wanted to do something that was blue, green / teal, and I also wanted to incorporate a little dazzle, a little glitter, so that's exactly what I did. I hope you guys like this look. As always, everything will be listed down in the description box, and please be sure to check me out on my social media and follow me so you guys are keeping up with me. So yes, I hope you guys like this look. Like I said, everything will be listed down. If you guys want to see how I got this look, stay tuned in, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So the first shade that I'm using as my brow bone is from the ColorPop Fortune palette, and it's called More Problems. And I didn't show you guys, but I also went on top of that with this bone flesh shade called Ben to make, I wanted like a lighter brow bone area, so I went on top of that, this color with that. Now I'm going to my Coloured Raine Vivid Bright palette, and I'm using this blue shade called Bossed Up. I'm using this as my first crease shadow. Now going into my FiftyTwoCosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm taking this light blue shade and I'm using that to blend out that blue shade that I used. Don't be afraid to just go right on top of it. You can like go down into it just a little bit just to create that well blended look. You don't want no harsh lines. Going back into my Vivid Bright palette, I'm taking this deeper blue shade called Yacht Life, and I'm using that to intensify the first blue that I had put down. Y'all, this palette is bomb. If you guys have not picked up this Vivid Bright palette, you guys are sleeping. Like, get this palette. Get this palette. It's wonderful and it's so beautiful. It's pigmented. You guys will not regret it. Now I'm just cutting my crease. I'm using my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C1, and I'm using that to cut my crease. I didn't really show you guys too much. I just sped it up, just little snippets here and there, because you guys always see how I cut my crease. Now I'm taking my Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm taking this light blue. It's a real pretty shimmer shade, and I'm using this to line the inner portions of my cut crease. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying, but you guys will see what I mean when I go in with my next shade. Going back into the Vivid Bright palette, I'm taking this green shade called Level Up, and I'm placing that all over the rest of my lid. And you guys are going to see right here how that light blue shade lines that inner portions of my eye, and that's exactly what I was trying to go for. It was really pretty. I really like this technique. I've been seeing it all over Instagram, and I wanted to try it, and so far I'm really liking it. So expect to see that in more looks. I already went ahead and lined my lids off camera, and I used my Wet n Wild Makeup Lash liner. Now I'm taking my duo lash glue, and the two glitters that I'm using that are mixed together is called Mermaid and Kiki from Cake Your Face Glitters. You guys, she has like the best glitters. I will be doing a review on her glitters pretty soon, so be sure to stay tuned in and check that out. And like, subscribe so you guys can know when I'm uploading these videos. Subscribe and hit that bell button. Mixing these two glitters together, it gave me this real pretty blue green effect that I was going for. So yes. So I went ahead and completed the base portion of my face off camera. If you guys want to know what I use, look down in the description box. Right now I'm taking my NYX jumbo pencil in the shade Milk, and I'm lining my waterline, and I'm going back to the Brazil palette, and I'm taking this light green shade, and I'm going to be setting that on top of the pencil. Taking that light blue shade again from the Zulu palette, I'm dragging that down into the inner portions, the inner duct portions of my eye. To coat my bottom lashes, I'm using my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. For my blush, I'm going to my Sahara 2 blush palette, and I'm taking Tau. It's a warm orange shade. It's a little heavy-handed right here. I just went in with the powder brush to calm it down just a little bit. Now I'm just spraying my face with my Morphe setting spray, and I'm just fanning that away. The highlighter I'm going to be using today is from the Anastasia That Glow highlighter kit, and I'm using golden bronze. And because I'm extra, I went on top with this highlighter from this company called Glitzcosmetique in the shade Tansy Glow, the number 3 one. And I'm just gonna go back over my face again with my setting spray just to make sure everything is melted together. And I do have a discount code for this highlighter, guys, if you guys want to check her out and get some of her stuff, or if you just want to pick up this highlighter so you guys can save some money. It will be listed down in the description box as well. Now for my lip combo, I'm going in with my Nicka K lip liner, and I'm using this dark brown shade called Coffee. And the lipstick I'm going to be using is the MAC lipstick called LOVET20, and I'm going to be topping that with the ColorPop lip gloss in the shade Neat Freak from the Shayla collection. And this is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. I hope you guys liked the video. Everything I use will be listed down in the description box as always. And please do not leave here without liking the video, hitting the thumbs up button, subscribing, and commenting, you guys. And I will see you divas in the next one.